Android Studio and Android Gradle plugin are not compatible. If you are developing Android apps, I'm sure you have faced this error. And if you don't know the solution to it, we are going to find out in today's video. Hello everyone, welcome to Native Mobile Bits. Let's understand why we even face this error. So in general, your computer can have two type of projects. One which you will create by yourself and one which you will clone from some GitHub repository, right? So the project which you will create within your Android Studio, those project will not face this kind of error. But let's say you clone some project from some GitHub repository and then you are importing that project inside your own Android Studio, then you can face this error. Now why we are facing this error when we are cloning some project from some GitHub repository? So let's understand this. When we clone a project from a GitHub repository, that project is created by someone else. And maybe that someone else was using a different version of Android Studio when they created that project. Okay, nowadays all the different versions of Android Studio are compatible with different Android Gradle plugin versions. For example, Jellyfish Android Studio is only compatible with these Android Gradle plugin versions. Let's say your Android Studio is Jellyfish and the project you are trying to clone from GitHub repository or from someone else is using 8.9 Android Gradle plugin version. Jellyfish is not compatible with this Android Gradle plugin version. So that time we will face this error. And if we try to read this carefully, this error is stating that the project is using Android Gradle plugin 8.8.1. Okay, and let's see, 8.8.1 will either support Android Studio Ladybug or Android Studio Meerkat, but we are using Android Studio Koala, and Android Studio Koala is only supporting till Android Gradle plugin 8.6. So if we are trying to use a project which is using Android Gradle plugin 8.8.1, so we need to update our Android Studio either to Ladybug or Meerkat. Okay, so now let's try to update our Android Studio with the help of Toolbox. So Toolbox is one application from JetBrains and it helps us easily update our Android Studio or any other JetBrains IDE to any specific versions. Okay, so it is showing us that we can update our Android Studio, but let's say we want to update to some other versions. Okay, so let's update to Ladybug feature drop. So we can just update to this one, I think. Yeah, so let's click on install and it will start downloading this Ladybug Android Studio. And the download is completed. It's unpacking the latest download. Now we can see that we have the Ladybug Android Studio installed. Let's click on this and it's launched. And now our project is importing and hopefully this will fix that Android Studio incompatibility issue with the respective Android Gradle plugin version. And we can see that our project is successfully synced and it is showing that there is no error, although we have one update, but that's fine. But that incompatibility issue is now resolved and this Android Studio is fully compatible with this project and we can easily run our project and do our work. That's how we can fix the Android Studio and Android Gradle plugin compatibility issue. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, comment your favorite part, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I will see you very soon in the next video.